Greetings, colleagues and friends. As you may know, through our past discussions, we've been preparing to take the show on the road for quite a while now, and now we're finally ready to go. In this workshop, we will be tackling some of the hot topics of the mission critical operations, such as mission critical services and the development of the associated standards, moving beyond GSMR, Tetra, and other legacy systems, as well as next generation control center solutions.
You will have access to our subject matter experts and get hands-on with our latest demo system, showcasing the integrated approach to operational communications, MCPTT, and incident management. We welcome you and your team to join us, and we are excited to share and exchange ideas with you on the day.
See you soon.